To set up eSIM in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter network and internet right here, and then we can navigate to the SIM card options. Now click on this plus button, which allows you to set up your eSIM. It will check for your network information, and after a moment we'll be able to either set up brand new eSIM or transfer it from our other device. Let's click on set up new eSIM, as I want to get a brand new one, and then we can add it in multiple different ways. First way is to scan the carrier using our camera. It's just a QR code on the carrier that you should have, and you should be able to scan it. Alternatively, we can also scan it from the photo. If you have a photo with that QR code, you can go for that as well. Or alternatively, if you don't have QR code, you can always try to enter activation code right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.